Nikki Nabania, you need to learn how to make baby food. Nah, wash your hands. Cut this apple. Take this knife. Take it.
Am I so intimidated to make baby food? I'm shaking.
Wash the apple again because you are touching it too much. You can't touch it too much. No? No, you're not allowed to touch it too much.
Yes, ma'am.
Put it back there. I said put it back.
Yes, ma'am.
Cut it.
The pressure is real.
The pressure is getting worse. Cut it.
I'm cutting it.
Put it in the blender.
I'm putting it.
Yes.
Okay.
Remove the pit. Make sure there is no seed inside there. If I see any seed, I cut you off.
Let me tell you, last month I have this knife in my hand. Hold up.
If I see any seed, you are going to be like this apple. You are going to be cut.
No seed.
No seed. Okay.
Okay, no seed.
Yes.
No seed.
Yes. Make sure that the apple is cut organically. If there's a GMO cutting, you are cancelled.
Okay, no seeds. Okay, they all made the cut. No seeds.
Open this avocado.
The pressure.
It's getting worse.
Okay.
Excuse me, is that how you open avocado?
Yeah. How do you open it?
Quickly!
Okay, wait. I need a little scoop.
Hello, you said what?
I need a scoop thingy. A scoop thingy. A spoon. Okay.
Clean your... Go and wash that hand. Wash the hand. Nonsense. You are going to learn because very soon I'm going to carry your baby. If I don't carry your baby in the next year...
I rebuke that in Jesus' name.
I cancel it. I must carry your baby. Scoop it inside there.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Good.
Look at me, everyone. I'm making baby food.
Put these 3 grapes for sweetness.
Wait, do you need any more?
No, that's enough. Nonsense. Just because we don't have organic. Just
That's why you needed the organic cut, because you don't have the organic product.
A little bit of baby powder. Don't bring it there. What do you know about baby food? I have to teach you.
I know
Nonsense.
nothing.
You don't know nothing. Where's the water? Where's the alkaline water? Go and check inside the room. Bring it out.
Yes, Mom.
Where is the alkaline water? Why can't we teach in love as Africans? Must we teach with anger and trauma attached? The first person who taught me how to dance was so angry and upset all the time. I almost stopped liking dance. I'm waiting for you. Hello, madam. Are you trying to steal this? Hello? Okay, put small water in there now.
Okay. I'm putting a little bit because I don't want to get yelled at. Is that it?
No. You can never bypass the yelling. I'm going to yell at you. That's enough. And close. Now for the hour of reckoning. She doesn't like it.
Oh, really?
She's already afraid. She's already grabbing onto me. the baby plate?
Where is the baby plate?
Do you know how to give?
Where's the baby plate, you guys? I don't know.
You don't even know where baby plate at your age? At your age! You cannot find the baby plate. Nonsense. Gosh, I wish we would teach people in love, you know, and not like, go, I need to clean my kitchen. I need to organize. Okay. Nikki's eyes are so cute. I know, right?
Oh, thank you.
Is it? Don't look inside.
Just know, is it good?
Hello, hello.
What am I supposed to be doing right now? I don't know.
Just, do you know how to feed a baby?
We'll see.
Oh my God, she's gonna love it. It's so nice, so delicious.
Then I want to try it. See how baby food is supposed to taste. No, so it's good.
It's good, don't lie.
The apples are prominent.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. I thought the avocado was gonna win.
No, because you know the sweetness of the apple.
Yeah, it's actually really good. It tastes like applesauce kind of.
But
like
more
creamy.
nutritious, yeah.
Yeah, it's really good. Let's see what Athena thinks.
This one is just hungry. If I gave her blended horse tail, she would eat it.
Would you guys try this?
If you like, go try it. And if you like, try it. It's your business. Nikki, you didn't tag yourself.
Oh.
Follow my girl Nikki on Instagram and on Facebook.
Yeah, boy. So my Instagram and Facebook is I know how to pin it now. Period.
You know how to pin it down.
I do know how to pin it now. Period.
Do you know how to make baby food now?
I do know how to make baby food now. So you put a half of avocado. You waste the other half.
No, I'm gonna eat it.
You have.
If we put the full avocado, you would like it.
Oh really?
Athena won't eat it. It won't be sweet enough for her.
Yeah. And then the whole apple, and then you put like 3 grapes. And then did you put any blueberries? So 3 grapes, and then what's this? What's going on here? This is just organic. And then a little bit of love, and then that's it, right? Right, Athena? Right, Athena?
Athena. Tell me quando. Nikki, what have you been up to? Come on, just us. Everyone's like, oh my God, I can't wait for another Nikki story time.
So let me tell you guys, right? So, because you know, honey, I got the gist. and because I'm trying to date again. I'm on the market very well.
Oh, she's on the market.
And
sometimes I forget I'm on the market too.
Right.
Well, I don't even have time.
You don't have time to be on the market. You don't have time to shop. Just not be on the market yourself. So I had a date planned up or whatever. I was talking to this guy. I was talking back and forward. Great conversation. Like he was just like on my speed. Like it was like really just back and forward, banter, everything, right? He's like, oh, okay, so what are you doing Friday? I want to take you out on a date. This was this past Friday. I'm like, okay, I could be available, I could be free, blah, 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 blah. Then Friday comes and he's like, oh, I think we're going to have to reschedule. Absolutely not, because guess what? I do not do date rescheduling. You get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow this opportunity. Come once in a lifetime. You better. Period. Okay. So yeah, all in all, the date that I had, I actually didn't have, and now I'm still on the market.
After all that period. That's what you get when your shakara is more than anything.
What?
Calm down 20 notches. Your 50-50 shoulder pad, your pride is here. You need to relax the pride.
Woo, I can't believe it, man.
You need to relax. Me, I'm on the market. I'm available. I'm available.
Who wants to take Cora on a date?
Hey, if you try that, oh my days.
Oh my days.
That's an idea. Let's do it. Who wants to take Cora on a date challenge? I feel like I'm gonna bring all the pimps and the hoes out.
Honey, they're already out. They're already out.
Athena has finished this food. You did chop, my dear. You did chop. Any other date? Any other story?
Stay tuned, but not at the moment. Stay tuned.
But what is it like dating in LA?
It's very not nice. Very
like
not
just
nice.
come to LA and make money and go back home and marry.
LA guys, not to be rude for anybody who's from LA. Trash. I don't get it.
Like dustbin trash.
You know what?
Like dustbin.
just trash. Just like literally dustpan, mop, broom, basket,
Sheesh.
waste, trash. D-Lord Tucson, I see you. Thank you. Even when you have a date, you're still on the market. You need options. Period. No, seriously. I always say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. And don't only date one person at a time. And what I mean by that is when you're going out on dates and you're kind of choosing, like you're weeding people out, don't just spend all your time with one person, because it just doesn't work out that way. They're not spending all their time on you. You're not the only egg in their basket. So, yeah.
Period. Nikki should come on a date
next summer in Paris. First of all, next summer, honey, I'm not gonna be on the market that long. Hopefully not.
She like snatch it while you have it.
Honey, I'm on the market now. I'm not gonna be on the market tomorrow. Hi, my queen. How are you, my Haitian sister? Hi, I'm good. How are you doing?
Be careful out there, ladies. We sure are trying to be.
Yes, yes. Hi, Audrey. Thank you, Irene. Find a good Italian man. Where the Italian men at? Where they at? I heard Italian men are like, they're romantic and like, you know, smooth talkers. But if you're gonna talk smooth, I need you to walk smooth too. You gotta be a smooth walker, not just talker.
For me and my household, we are okay. I am not looking for man. They should not look for me. And my household, we are okay. Leave us alone.
She's like, speak for yourself, Mom.
Me and my household, we are okay. We are not looking for man. Do not look for me. Available on Apple Music and Spotify.
Available on Apple Music and Spotify, honey.
Girl, I am nuts. Okay, that was us feeding and teaching Nikki how to make baby food.
I'm a pro now, guys. Ding.
Have a great day. Mwah. Bye. Bye. Athena. Mwah. Mwah. Say bye-bye.